Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the effective strategy and the right platform that you could use to start your dropshipping business. Now, two of the major platforms that exist in the market in today's time period is Shopify and Magento. We're going to look in great detail and understand the different perspectives that each one of them have, what kind of support and tools that they have, and how you can harness the power that exists on both of them to ensure that you can start a successful dropshipping business. With Shopify.com, if you can dream it, you can sell it with Shopify, and you can discover the reasons why millions of entrepreneurs are choosing Shopify to build their business. And one of the things that I absolutely love about Shopify is the fact that you can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creators, and there's no coding expertise required. You don't need to hire a front-end or back-end developer. You can select from hundreds of customizable templates that are crafted by a community of world-class designers. You can even add more features and functionalities to your online store with the app extensions from trusted Shopify partners. And the best thing is the fact that you can connect with customers everywhere. You can sell online, in person, or both with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of your customers. And everything that you need to succeed is available for you on your fingertips with Shopify.com. From managing inventories and tracking payments and viewing real-time business insights, all from a single dashboard. And everything that you need is available so you can focus on building your business. And they're empowering entrepreneurs across the globe, guys. They're available in 175 countries with millions of merchants worldwide. And they've supported 5 million jobs and done a global economic activity of $444 billion. And more than that, I love the fact that you can get all the marketing and business strategy tips that you need to help your business run online with a Shopify blog. You can learn from the best with instant access to lessons from successful entrepreneurs across the globe with their online courses. And you can connect with a community of brands, partners, and fellow merchants who understand Shopify with their community. And you can even find the answers in a flash with that dedicated resource for articles and videos from their help center. All you need to do is click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or click on start the free trial and answer a couple of questions, and this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left, you're going to have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, analytics, marketing, discount, your online stores, and the different apps that are available. And the thing that I love about the fact that with the apps, there's so much elements that you can do. There's so many things that you can add. All you need to do is download the app, for example, the AliExpress, and you can take and get all the features that are available on AliExpress to your Shopify store. It is as simple and straightforward as that. If you want to use CJ dropshipping, you can do that. You can use the best currency converter and booster page optimization as well. There's so many options and there's so many features and apps that are available to help you enhance your Shopify store. You can look at the analytics and understand exactly what kind of activity that's going on, what people want to buy, what people want to get, and exactly develop a strategy based on that information. You can easily get in touch with all your customers and look at all the products that you have. You can delete products. You can also add products. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. You can look at the orders that you get and manage all your orders instantly. You can even check out the abandoned checkouts and send them a message. And the best thing is the marketing that's available. You can send customers the right message, the right time automatically. And you can learn how to marketing automation delivers targeted messages while saving you time. You can check the sales, the sale attributed to marketing. There's so many marketing apps that you can use to enhance and scale your business to heights it's never known before. The second platform that you can use is the Magento. The business adopted by diversifying your customer base. They're tailoring the e-commerce experience with the AI advanced data sharing capabilities to create end-to-end personalized business-to-consumer and business-to-business commerce experience, all from a single dashboard that's flexible, extensible, and scalable at the same time. With their page builder, you can have the site content and promotion made easy. You can create content with their easy-to-use interface and personalize for specific customer segments. You can even update pages quickly by using the modern drag and drop tools to quickly create compelling content and shopping experience without the need for developer support. You have the powering commerce for brands of all sizes, so you can start off small and gradually start increasing and developing yourself into a full-fledged business. Now, the reason why I absolutely love the Magento is because the personalization of the commerce that easily scale is brilliantly available. They're supported by so many elements and so many many features that you can easily integrate everything from a single platform for your commerce, whether you're a business to business ready to go directly to the customer or a business to consumer managing several brands in 10 different languages. The Ecommerce lets you manage multiple channels and brands and expand into new countries simply from one platform. And that is the reason why a lot of individuals are now turning to Magento and developing their businesses on it. With the intelligence from industry-leading artificial intelligence, they give you the complete breakdown of critical touch points like site search, product recommendation, shopper analysis, and that is the support that you get with Magento, which is essential and crucial for making sure that you can develop a successful business and apply the right strategy and scale your business. With the extensible to incorporate any and all technology, it is very flexible, guys, and that is the beauty of it. The level of integration and customization that is available is one of a kind because the Ecommerce is completely scalable with a module core and a headless capability that allows you to quickly incorporate new technology, even ones yet to be invented, so you can reach customers across an ever-expanding networks of touch points. And that is the reason I feel the limitations are endless to ensure that you can always be able to enhance your business, scale your business, and become a successful dropshipping company, organization, and enterprise. There's a lot of features and benefits that are available as well. You can check out the page builder, the page recommendation, the store fulfillment, the payment services, and the integration. Now, the payment service is one of the main features that I feel that really makes Magento stand out, because the main element over here is the service of the Ecommerce, a single platform that's integrated, scalable, up-to-date, and secure, with a single dashboard with integrated data, online payment systems, easy onboarding and automated updates, and a risk potential with enterprise security. So you can keep your business growing with automation integration, seamless and flexible payment options on growing average order sizes, and you can check out the prices as well and packaging. You can easily click on get pricing and send them a message and explain and get in touch with your customer service and explain to them exactly what kind of base you want, what things that you require, and they will accordingly give you an option to use. And that is the beauty, because every single element is customizable, is personalizable, and it really gives you an option to understand all these elements. Guys, I always recommend every individual to start with Shopify, then scale yourselves to Magento, and make sure that you use both platforms to scale your business, because that is how you will achieve financial freedom and break away from the 9-to-5 and become financially independent. We live in the internet age today, guys, and we have a lot of options available on our fingertips. We got to make sure that we use each one of them to make sure that we can develop multiple streams of income. So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, to guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.